everyone in Cyber World, welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Richard, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
Many years ago, before YouTube, we did a lot of DIY projects around the house, such as a Zen garden and also origami.
Our family encouraged us to use something called YouTube, and that's where we came up with the idea of making videos. We started off needing some kind of a logo, and we went with our initials R and J. That was the beginning of it, and eventually that turned into Poor Man's DIY.
We've been really honored to work with several sponsors for our channel, and recently we just found out we're going to hit that 6,000 subscriber.
Now, because we're getting larger than we had ever dreamed, we took a look at our channel and we realized it can get a little bit confusing because our logo starts off with R and J being our initials, and yet we call our channel Poor Man's DIY. So we have decided it is time to rebrand, and here's what we came up with.
More specifically, hopefully this will be less confusing for our logo and our channel name.
Yeah, we would really like to thank everybody for your support all this time. We can't believe we're about to hit 6,000 subscribers. We hope we can continue to make content that you enjoy and that you keep watching our videos. So until we meet again, bye-bye.